I studied a sports degree. I've always come from a sporty background and I've always wanted to work with young people. I joined the apprenticeship programme because I left university and I was looking for a job, and I thought that this was a good opportunity to get into the job as a youth worker in the council. During my apprenticeship course, I received a lot of support from my colleagues. Shadowing was a big benefit for me because I could see different approaches to how people work with young people. As you're working with vulnerable young people, some of the things that you might hear and the things that they may tell you that's happened to them can be quite hard to hear, but it's part of the job and you've got to be there for them. Working with young people is quite a rewarding job. You build that positive relationship with them. It's nice to see them thrive and just making them a more confident person and giving them more opportunities.